Brookfield Renewable is one of the world's largest owners and operators of renewable power portfolios. With more than 200 hydroelectric facilities across 80 river systems, protecting and enhancing the ecosystems of its rivers is a key priority. When Brookfield Renewable had to get its 28.6 megawatt Oswegatchie River Hydro Project relicensed, the company developed innovative fishways that use the natural terrain of the river and shoreline to emulate natural river channels. They can accommodate a broad range of migratory fish species and sizes. The fishways represent the first of their kind installed in the state of New York and the second in the entire Northeast. In the spring of 2018, more than 2,000 fish representing 14 species were recorded over 5 days, confirming the success of the fishways. Brookfield Renewable's efforts were honored by the National Hydropower Association, which awarded it with a 2019 Outstanding Stewards of America's Waters Award in the Recreational, Environmental, and Historical Enhancement category.